and welcome to my channel. When Florida is mentioned, one of the most well-liked tourist destinations in the United States, at least a dozen pictures come to mind. Many people think of Orlando's renowned theme parks, Disney World and Universal, while others would consider the state's practically infinite supply of championship golf courses. Numerous beaches are available for beachgoers and sun worshippers, and each city is home to a wealth of high-end shops and unique boutiques for shoppers. You might want to think about the weather, an ideal time of year to visit Florida if your trip is focused on a beach vacation or a particular activity. Florida is a very interesting and diverse area to visit since, in addition to amusement and pleasure, it has a rich historical and cultural background that includes gentle indigenous Spanish conquistadors, daring pirates, and generations of Caribbean influences. In addition, Florida is home to numerous barrier islands with priceless ocean ecosystems, the Everglades National Park, and other rare and distinctive natural areas. With our list of the top Florida destinations, you can prepare for your adventures in the Sunshine State. Before starting, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. Number 10. West Palm Beach. Inland from Palm Beach, on Lake Worth, West Palm Beach is home to a variety of fascinating museums, as well as a large number of upscale dining establishments. As the city's name implies, it is frequently distinguished by its incredible miles of soft, sandy beaches, and many visitors come solely to enjoy the ocean and the sun. There are a ton of additional attractions in West Palm Beach, many of which feature animal encounters suitable for families. The Manatee Lagoon offers visitors the chance to see these gentle giants up close and without charge. The Cox Science Center and Aquarium is well known for its numerous exhibits and underwater residents. Sea creatures don't get all the attention, though. The Palm Beach Zoo and Conservation Society is home to 700 animals from habitats around the world. And Lion Country Safari gives visitors an opportunity to ride through the park to see some amazing African animals, as well as interact at the petting zoo and giraffe feeding station, and cool off in the water playground. Number 9. Pensacola. The economic hub of the Western Panhandle is the port city of Pensacola, which is located on Florida's best and largest natural harbor. With a more than 460-year history, the historic village features structures from the Spanish, French, and British colonial eras. The U.S. Naval Aviation Museum, Fort Pickens, 1834, located at the western tip of Santa Rosa Island, Pensacola Beach, with its expanses of sugar white sand, and Perdido Key. With its combination of crowded beaches and expansive natural regions, are all noteworthy nearby attractions. Visitors will discover that Pensacola has more of the Deep South's down-home influences and less of the Florida resort town vibe. Number 8. Venice. Venice, a sometimes neglected Florida resort, offers a wealth of activities without the throngs of other Gulf Coast locations. This small city boasts a charming center with many stores selling anything from gowns to bathing suits, and it is relatively walkable. Numerous small, quirky eateries and bakeries are also nearby. They're all great spots to grab a table on a patio and people watch. Venice's well-known beaches are only a short drive from the city center. The Venice Fishing Pier and the renowned Sharky's on the Pier restaurant are just a short drive south of the town's waterfront, which is lined with condos and houses. Those interested in searching for shark's teeth should head a bit farther south to Casperson Beach and keep their eyes peeled on the sand as they stroll the shoreline. Number 7. Clearwater. Clearwater has always been a popular beach resort in Florida and draws visitors from all over the world. A 3-mile stretch of fine white sand is situated offshore from the main city and is kissed by the warm, clear seas of the Gulf of Mexico. The beach offers a wide range of lodging options, from magnificent resorts to more intimate, cozy hotels and inns. Due to the abundance of fantastic restaurants and the lively atmosphere, Clearwater's beach area is a great place to people watch. One of the best places to practice this pastime is by taking a stroll out on Clearwater's famous fishing pier while the sun is setting. Number 6. Cocoa Beach. One of the best spots to go in Florida to feel the spirit of the Sunshine State is Cocoa Beach. To me, surfing the waves into the beach is preferable to visiting Disney World or any other theme park. Cocoa Beach has never attempted to deviate from its reputation as an actual beach town. This region welcomes you to unwind and take in the sun and sand at one of the best places to vacation in Florida, from the Ron John Surf Shop to the vintage Florida motels. Number 5. Fort Myers and Fort Myers Beach. Downtown Fort Myers, also known as the River District, is full of things to do, from plentiful shopping options to a wide variety of dining choices, as well as sightseeing in this historic area. Families will enjoy the IMAG History and Science Center, which includes dozens of hands-on exhibits, exciting wildlife interactions, including the chance to touch an alligator, and even the opportunity to see the original fort at Fort Myers in a 3D virtual reality experience. Fort Myers Beach is on the shores of Estero Island, separated from the mainland by a narrow inland waterway and connected by bridges. The expansive beach is known for being an ideal place to see dolphins playing in the water, and is full of top-notch resorts that are popular with families, couples, and celebrities. Number 4. Marco Island. Go straight to Marco Island if you want to experience some of Florida's consistently mild weather, even on the gloomiest days of February. This vacation island is close to Florida's southernmost point in the Gulf of Mexico, where it nearly never gets cold, unlike Fort Myers or Orlando. Not everyone is drawn to good weather. One more is the magnificent beach. This exceptionally long and wide beach, which is about 4 miles long, is one of the best in southern Florida. There are many places to stay in this area, from luxury resorts to intimate inns that cater to boaters. Number 3. Key West. At the very southernmost point of the United States, historic Key West features an island-like atmosphere with antique structures and a leisurely pace. Several well-known authors, including Robert Frost, Tennessee Williams, and Ernest Hemingway, called this lovely and relaxed city home. Due to its geographic location, the area has a diverse cultural mix that includes elements from several Caribbean islands. These influences have given the area a laid-back attitude, unique architecture, and delicious cuisine. Key West is a well-liked cruise ship port with a ton of things to do and places to enjoy yourself. Duval Street is the main tourist area, home to boutiques, souvenir shops, restaurants, and even some historic homes. Some of the city's top attractions include a shipwreck museum that explains the area's long history of salvaging, and the Key West Aquarium. Number 2. Orlando. Orlando, Florida, is the center of Florida's tourism economy and is home to Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld, 3 of the most well-known theme parks in the world. These have grown over time to include sizable theme water parks like Volcano Bay, Typhoon Lagoon, and Discovery Cove. During school breaks, families swarm to the theme parks in large numbers, but tourists flock to the city all year long. The Orlando area now offers a wide variety of leisure activities and services, from championship golf courses and posh spas to restaurants and sizable shopping malls, thanks to the region's ongoing tourist boom. Orlando isn't all about family time, it's also about getting dressed up and heading out for a fine meal. The city also has 4 one-star Michelin-rated restaurants that are sure to please the most discerning of palates. Number 1. Miami. Miami, one of Florida's hippest and most well-known cities, is situated in the state's southern region. The old and new sides of Florida are on display in Miami and the surrounding Miami Beach. Miami Beach's much more relaxed vibe contrasts sharply with the vibrant modern city center. The most exciting of Miami's beaches is South Beach, which is renowned for its Art Deco district and ultra-hip pedestrian mall that runs parallel to the water and is packed with restaurants, entertainment, and activities with a view of the water. Additionally, it's a well-liked Florida honeymoon location. Flagler Street in downtown Miami is home to a number of historical landmarks, while the Design District and Brickell neighborhood are filled with upscale shops and fine dining establishments. Little Haiti and Little Havana, 2 vibrant ethnic neighborhoods in Miami, both have Caribbean influences. And the Overtown neighborhood is well known for its lengthy African-American history and hearty soul food. This brings us to the end of our video. Which place do you love the most? Tell us in the comment section below. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then feel free to mention them in the comment section, and we will surely respond to your request. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.